Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Miss Shireen, as well as Miss Shireen on basically all, I think most of my social accounts now. So today is something different. I've just had a shower, kind of got bare minimal makeup on, and I thought to do a hair routine. So my hair has freshly been washed, like I said. I've been using new products and I thought to show exactly what I've been doing. So if you want to see more, then just keep watching.
Someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires.
So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously take my hair out of this towel. As you can tell, very wet, but we will sort this out. So just give it a little zhuzh. And what we will be doing is I use my Tangle teaser usually for my hair. Just makes it a lot easier for me to get the knots out. And I have also been using a hair oil, which I usually use as well when I'm just before I'm drying my hair. So I'll show you that as well. So just part your hair how you like it. Usually when I curl it, I kind of just get all that hair out. I kind of like part it just normally. And before I do anything, like I said, we'll be using this. This is the by hair oil. Absolutely love this. It says this luxury hair treatment created by Aram was developed over generations and perfectly balances the benefits of a variety of natural oils. It's designed to nourish your hair, promoting growth, shine, elasticity and strength over a sustained and constant period of usage. From Aram by Aram. It usually says that you have 2+ pumps in your hair. I usually go for about that much anyway when my hair's wet, but today I'll do just 2. Sometimes I do more, sometimes I do less. I never go from the top of my hair, I go from the bottom. So rub it around and kind of use the oil underneath your hair, then on top, so your hair doesn't get greasy. Kind of massage it in as well. So I'm going to use the Tresemme used by professionals. This is a normal hair dryer. I'm just going to dry my hair. So then I'm going to wrap my hair and do it in sections. So I do the top section, pop that up, get another hairband to the bottom section, just so there's enough hair to curl. And then what we are going to use is the L'Oreal Hot and Sleek. This is the anti-frizz technology. So I use this, you're supposed to use it for straighteners, but I literally use the tiniest amount, like as you can see, and I just put that over my hair. So the tiniest section, I'm going to bring some more down actually. And by sectioning your hair, you can easily get the curls that you want. Okay, so I will show you what I got. So my boyfriend actually got me this bag for my birthday last year. It's basically got the mermaid waver, we have a very curly kind of a waver one, we have just a normal standard one, I think was this one, can't really remember, the tiny like crazy curly afro kind of one, which is the thinnest one, which is this one, which I absolutely love, and then this is the normal waver. I think I have used this once, but if you do want to see me use these, I will just be showing you one today, but if you want to see me use them, then comment below and just say exactly what you want to see. So what we're going to do is use, it's kind of like a barrel curler, but as you can see it's not circular, it's kind of like an oval shape, as you can see. it gets very hot very quick, so obviously I'm just going to keep it in that bag. Let's just put that there so my bedding doesn't set on fire. But whilst that's heating up, I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's. Obviously this year it's a bit weird, a bit awkward for some people wanting to go out, couldn't go out. I just celebrated it with family, chilled out. I thought the London fireworks were actually really good this year. But yeah, it was really nice, very emotional because my boyfriend at the moment is in India. He flew there to see his family and I probably won't see him for a while, but it is what it is. It's one of those things. I think it's annoying when you can't see them, but it's not just me that's like, sorry, I've just realised there's so much hair around me. It's not just me that's in this predicament. I do see a lot of people kind of like going to see their boyfriends obviously when you can't, but it's one of those things where I will wait. He sent me quite a few Christmas presents which were very unexpected. So if you do want to see like what my boyfriend got me or what I got myself / what I got for Christmas, then comment below. I'm just going to see if this is hot enough. No, not yet. But yeah, it's been snowing quite recently here in the Midlands. It's not been too bad now. Again, we are in another lockdown. I think this is our third one. So we're in tier 4, so we have different tiers. So tier 4 means all shops are closed. All shops are closed. Right, all shops are closed. Obviously except for food shops. And yeah, so I don't know if I'm working or not. It's just one of those things, I guess, but we will see. We'll take time. And my bubble's just falling out, but it's just, you can't really do much, can you guys? I think our curler should be done. So what we'll first do is section off our hair. So I usually get like an inch or 2 inch pieces, and I'll show you a different, I'll show you a shit. What is wrong with my speech today? I will show you a tip of what I actually learned. So if you hold the barrel this way, your curls would be more volumized. If you hold it up straight, so if you curl your hair and kind of like hold it up or hold it down, it will be more curly. So I like voluminous curls, so I'm actually going to hold it this way. So let me just get the line. So when you get your curler, make sure this is down so your hair doesn't attach to it. And what we're going to do is wrap it around until this bit here. So it gets quite hot, so make sure you've got enough barrel. Just going to look in the mirror, so wrap it once, twice, try to do a third time. What I like to do is move the hair up and down and then just hold it there and kind of count in your head for about 10 seconds-ish. Again, moving the curler just slightly every so often. And we're just going to do this. I forgot my little clippy curls things, so I'll get them. Now I never used to, probably better off sitting down and saying this, I never used to have these. I keep them in a Revolution box, but they obviously don't come in there. As you can see, that curl is like crazy. So we get these and we literally just clip it in. So again, we'll get another piece of hair, get it here, get the curler, wrap it around, obviously making sure every curl is done tightly. And once you get the hang of it, it's not too hard to do. And I literally put that into here. Sometimes they don't stay, sometimes they do, it doesn't matter really. And again, we're going to do this side. So get your curler, put it on, and literally wrap it around. Now, by the way guys, be very careful with these. I have stupidly burnt myself. So when I was drunk, of course when I was drunk, I curled my hair, and don't ask me why when I was drunk, why I was curling my hair, but I did, and I basically burnt myself. You can't really see it anymore, it's gone, but it was a massive burn on my arm, and I couldn't feel it at all. When I woke up the next morning, I felt it. So again, you're just going to get your curler and wrap it around. And try and move it up and down like I said. Then you just catch the curl, kind of keep it, and you just roll it up. So you do that for all of your hair, and I will get back to you to do the top bit. So I'm just going to do the top bits now, so I kind of leave a little bit at the top, so I can wave that separately, because otherwise it annoys me. So I'll just put some serum in, like I said, and we're going to try and get as close to the scalp as we possibly can without burning ourselves. So again, like I said, wrap, wrap. I hate it when it does this. So you wrap, wrap, and then hold. Again, move it around. Makes it easier. You see how crazy curly that is. Just wrap it again. Drop it. And your hair looks absolutely mental and crazy right now, but trust the process. Okay, and drop. You have just the top bit to do. Okay. Comb it through. I have a natural parting anyway, so the parting will be like about there-ish. And these ones I take bigger sections just because I like a bigger wave. Get it? Just wrap it around. And let go. Okay, and we do the last bit, which is just this little bit here. Roll it. Obviously, make sure you turn these off. Then we take all the clips out of our hair. For one. Okay. Now, kind of zhuzh the hair a little bit. We add by Arum serum, which you can obviously get on the website, which I'll link for you guys. Like I said, bottom, and then what we're going to do is get our trusty brush and just brush our curls. So then get our hands again, our serum, and kind of play around with our newly kind of created curls. so it's going to act better. More stronger, as curls like this, they hold, I would say, for at least like 2-3 days. Fairly happy with that. Let me just check. Yeah, this is literally my curling routine. It's kind of like a cute little 80s vibe. Absolutely love the Mark Hill curler. I haven't ever had one of them. Loads of my friends had them at uni, so my sister bought it to me. So I thought to buy it myself. I'll link everything in the description as well as the ones that I didn't use. But I hope you did like this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and always hit that bell button to make sure that you get a reminder on your phone or on your tablet to say whenever I've uploaded a new video. Very short, very cute, sweet little video, and yeah, I hope to see you in the new year, and you will see me very, very soon for another video. Absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much for the support.